do?
Ano daw?
You gonna sing?
You want bacon, ham, egg?
What are you gonna say?
Ang kulit mo naman ate, Pitani eh.
Sorry po.
Sinabi sa'yo?
Ewan ko sa inyo. English lang, tinakakanta na
Pasensya ka
kayo.
naman, Tita Ani. Medyo nakailangan na
This one, anak, this one. You will sing a song? Hold this one.
Ready? Alright then. Let's give Chloe a warm of applause.
Yan ang future.
Pati ako napasayaw eh. Hindi mo
Filipino Got Talent winner.
Oo, di ba?
Okay.
And by the way, she's only 3 years old.
3 years old?
Goodness
Hindi
me.
naman 3 years old, nakabisado yung buong kanta, ah.
Oh, grabe yun. Talent yun, di
Hindi
ba?
yata kaya yun.
Oo.
Thank you very much, Chloe.
Chloe, thank you very much. Thank you very
It's
much.
bedtime. Bye-bye. Thank you. Your mom's calling me now, babe.
All right then.
Thank you very
Ang susunod
much.
po,